This is a tutorial to show you how to use multiple choice in your app. So the first thing you need to do is design your screen, and you're going to need a label. So go into the basic palette and get label and drag it to your screen. And this is used for your question. So whatever you want your user to answer, you're going to type in the text box right here. So for example, I'm just going to use a really simple math question. What is 100 plus 100? And then, once I'm done with that, it will show up in the screen right here. And the next thing I do is I insert a text box. So go to the basic palette, text box, click and drag. And this is where your user will type in their answer for the problem. And depending on the number of answers you put in your question, that's how many labels you're going to want. So I'm going to put 3, and I'm going to drag 3 labels onto my screen. Now I have to rename these labels. So for text for label 2, I'm going to go over to the text box, highlight it, and put in my answers. So this one is going to be 201. Come over here, select label 3. This one is going to be 200. Come over here, select label 4. And this one is going to be 145. The next thing you need to do is you need to go over and drag 2 buttons onto your screen. So basic, button, and drag 2 buttons. The first button, you're going to rename that to next. The first button, you're going to rename that to check. So if you scroll down the properties panel, text for button 1, highlight it and type check. This is what your user is going to be clicking to check their answer to see if they're correct or not. The next thing that you're going to do is for button 2, you're going to select it and you're going to rename this next. This is the button you're going to be clicking, or your user is going to be clicking to go to the next question or the next screen. Now in between those 2 buttons, I want to get a label, so basic, label, and I'm going to place that in between those 2. And this is what your user is going to be seeing when they press the check button. It's going to tell them if their answer is correct or not. So I'm just going to highlight this and leave this blank, because in Blocks Editor my partner will show you how to tell them if they got the correct answer or not. And the last thing you need to do is go up and create another screen. So press Add Screen and create another screen, because this is what all of your other questions are going to be on all the separate screens. And then you repeat that step on screen 4 or screen 2 for you. And that is how you do the design layout of the multiple choice app.